Rains have thrown Mumbai out of gear with train services between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Thane as well as on the harbour line was suspended until further notice. The IMD has issued a red alert forecasting extremely heavy rainfall forcing schools, colleges and government offices to remain shut. Flooding has been reported in several areas including Andheri, Wadala and Bhaikala, leaving roads waterlogged and traffic paralyzed. Over 150 mm of rainfall was recorded this morning alone, swelling the Methi river and prompting evacuation of hundreds of low-lying areas. NDRF and army teams are on the ground across Maharashtra, where 6 people have already died in past 24 hours. 5 people remain missing in Nanded. My colleague Anurag Shah has filed this report earlier on Mumbai Rains.
Second day of heavy rainfall in Mumbai, and there will be no ease till Thursday as IMD has predicted orange alert for Wednesday and yellow alert for Thursday. According to BMC Commissioner, several parts of Mumbai has witnessed more than 300 mm of rainfall in last 24 hours. Due to heavy rainfall, several parts of Mumbai has seen waterlogging. If we talk about the railway services, Mumbai local, then Central Railway services got suspended from Thane to CST, but Western Railway from Churchgate to Virar have not seen any kind of disruption. After on yesterday, today also BMC announced holiday for schools and colleges and advised companies to allow employees to work from home, seeing the IMD alert and the heavy rainfall, continuous rainfall, and there will be no ease till Thursday because orange alert is there and yellow alert is there for Thursday. With a few low-lying areas, we have seen evacuation also in Kurla. Around more than 400 people got evacuated because rising water levels in Methi river. So government is also keeping watch. Few units of NDRF has also been deployed at the various low-lying areas to help evacuating people. So till Thursday, Mumbaikars will see heavy rainfall.
कि महाराष्ट्र में बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर बारिश हो रही है। कल से हम लोगों ने रेड अलर्ट दिया था, उस अनुसार बारिश हुई है। उसके चलते कुछ जगह पर जान और माल का नुकसान हुआ है। वहाँ पर हमने सारी एहतियात बरती हुई है। वहाँ पर एसडीआरएफ और एनडीआरएफ के लोग भी हमने तैनात किए हैं। आगे भी जहाँ पर रेड अलर्ट बताया गया है वहाँ पर हम लोग कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं। मुंबई में भी 300 mm बारिश करीब हुई है, जिसके कारण कुछ डिस्ट्रप्शंस निर्माण हुए, लेकिन अभी पानी नीचे जा रहा है। बड़े पैमाने पर इसमें भी कार्रवाइयाँ की जा रही है। मीठी नदी में उसके लेवल ऊपर जाने के कारण वहाँ के कुछ लोगों को इवैक्यूएट किया था, लेकिन अब मीठी नदी की लेवल भी नीचे जा रही है। लेकिन आने वाले कुछ घंटों में अभी भी रेड अलर्ट मुंबई में है और कोकण के इलाकों में और घाट के इलाकों में सब जगह रेड अलर्ट है। कुछ जगह ऑरेंज अलर्ट भी है, तो उनको भी किस प्रकार से एहतियात बरतना है ये बताया गया है।
Alright, that was Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis detailing the strategy and preparation on Mumbai rains. But our colleagues from Times Network have been reporting consistently on Mumbai rains, and Rucha Kanolkar is also standing by at Methi River, which has swollen, leading to waterlogging in the surrounding areas. Let's go across to her for a ground report.
Relentless downpour has thrown Mumbai's daily life in chaos. Crippling trains, roads and flooding low-lying areas can be seen everywhere in the city. Now the Methi river in Mumbai has crossed the danger mark, forcing authorities to act quickly. In Kurla's west, Kranti Nagar, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has begun evacuating families from low-lying areas and relocating them to a temporary shelter. Officials are saying this is a precautionary measure as the water levels are increasing steadily. The IMD has issued red alert for Mumbai and its suburbs. warning of more extremely heavy rainfalls in the next few hours. The flooding risk is aggravated during the high tide when the drainage systems leading to sea are shut to prevent seawater backflow. With heavy rain continuing, at the same time, storm water accumulates in nalas and low-lying localities, increasing threat of flooding. Adding to this challenge, the Bihar Lake, one of the 7 reservoirs that supplies drinking water to Mumbai, started overflowing yesterday. While this ensures enough water supply, it adds a strain on the flood control measures as the surrounding catchment areas are also flooded. With rivers flowing and red alert in place, the administration has urged the citizens to stay indoors and cooperate with the evacuation. Along with video journalist Anil Shinde, this is Rucha Kanolkar for ET Now, Mumbai.